Good morning, guys. Again, a video packed with information. The most important information today will be that my wife has her birthday. Yes, my beautiful wife is celebrating her birthday. We are going to a beautiful beach somewhere today, and I will add those video in the video tomorrow. The second thing we are going to talk about is the Bitcoin price, because we see some cool signs. If you look at the long term of Bitcoin, we can see some very bullish signs. If you look at the short term, we can see a few bearish times. But if you look at US dollar Tether, we can see some really cool shit happening. Same time, we are going to talk about more women in crypto, what is happening with these women in crypto. Now even J.K. Rowling wants to know about crypto, and Elon Musk told us how much Bitcoin he is owning. Do you trust this, or do you think he will accumulate more in the future? That is everything we are going to talk about in this video. Make sure you watch yesterday's video as well, because you can still win this t-shirt. I will keep the comments open till Monday, and Monday a random winner of a t-shirt with their own text on it will be chosen, and the t-shirt will be sent to you guys. Have fun with this video. Beautiful day, 16 May 2020 in Koh Phangan. It's a beautiful day. Why? Because my wife has her birthday. Happy birthday, darling. I love you to the moon and back. Maybe you watch this video. Mostly you don't watch my videos, but if you see this one is for you. I love you to the moon and back, darling. In today's videos, a lot of news, guys. It's going to be a short video because we are going to have a lovely day as a family. My wife doesn't want to celebrate her birthday like I always want to celebrate it big time. She wants to have a quiet beach day with the family, and then in the evening some friends will come over for some drinks. I'm going to do it different in this video because YouTube's retention shows that you are not watching my videos long enough. So I'm going to try and start with the Bitcoin price to get you hooked to the video from the beginning. The Bitcoin price, guys, it's very volatile at the moment. We can go to 11k, we can go to 8k back. Nobody knows how high we will go. Nobody knows how low we will go. So if we look at Bitcoin at the long term, at the Bitcoin price at the long term, which I prefer, and we look at the daily chart, we can see that a golden cross is forming. We can see that we are forming this golden cross somewhere at the end of this month. I hope the sound on the back is not too disturbing. The golden cross is when the 50 daily moving average line, you can see it on the chart, is going to cross over the 100 and now even the 200 daily moving average lines. So you can see the 50 coming up from below. You can see the 100 and the 200 now together, and we are going to cross it up. That will mean a golden cross. If you look to the left in the chart, you can see the last golden cross, and you can see what the last golden cross meant for the price. If you look even more left and you zoom out to the bigger picture, and you can track all these golden crosses on the trading view charts, you can see that every golden cross saw a bull run, a small bull run or a big bull run. So just always keep an eye on the golden cross and also on the death cross. But we will talk about the death cross when we will near that one, because I believe in the law of attraction. I am not going to think about the death cross when we are nearing the golden cross. So I expect that if we make this golden cross again in a couple of days, maybe a week, that we again will see a run up, and again that will be to 14,000 US dollars. And why 14,000 US dollars? That's just because a lot of indicators tell us this, and because it's the price the miners need to reach to even break even in their mining business. I think it all hangs together. It all has to do it together. It's one big new economical system, but that needs to support each other. So I think if you look at the bigger picture, we all want to support each other. So why would we, why would we want to destroy the mining business, or why would we want to destroy the trading business? Some you win, some you lose. Yes, that is true, but if it comes to keeping this whole beautiful technology of Bitcoin secure, the miners play an important role. And you know, if the miners would crash, that would mean that there is no possibility of keeping this whole industry secure, which would also lead to a full crash of the industry, which also would lead to the crash of exchanges and everything else that has to do with the Bitcoin price. So I don't see this one happening. So I think we support each other. That's why I think we will see this golden cross and we will see 14K very soon. If you look to Bitcoin at the short term, you know, and short term for now is the 4-hour chart, then we see a little bit weakness. We tried to go up to 10K again, and we didn't reach 10K. If you look at the 4-hour chart, we can see that the volume is now declining. You can even see that the MACD is showing some bearish divergence. And if you look at the stock RSI, you can also see that that one is now pointing downwards. So if you look at the 4-hour charts, yes, we could go down a little bit. But again, I always love to play the big game. I love to zoom out because I don't want to stress daily about the Bitcoin price. I don't want to be attached to my screen 24/7, you know, to control this whole market. Yes, soon I can announce this co-op I'm going to have with a beautiful company from Switzerland. The second hint I'm going to give you, which will really help you with this situation. That was the third hint I gave you. I'm not going to give you another hint in this video, so you need to watch another one tomorrow. Some very, very, very bullish signs in the market is Tether, guys. Every time we see this huge growth in Tether, afterwards we see this runs. And now if you look at this chart, you can see how big Tether has grown in the last couple of weeks and months. It's now like way above the Bitcoin level. So what do you think where these Tethers will go? Are these Tethers of people that are afraid of losing the value of the dollar or whatever currency they believe in and now hedge into the stable currency US dollar Tether? Or is this investors putting all Tethers on the market to now slowly start to buy Bitcoin up and create this beautiful run up so they can make some profit? Nobody knows for sure, but the only thing we can see is that every time we see this huge increases of Tether, afterwards we see also huge increases in Bitcoin. And yes, also sometimes we have seen decreases in the Bitcoin price. But if Tether starts to go up this big, I think that people want to buy Bitcoin. But who am I? I am just enjoying this beautiful beach again here, and I'm enjoying this beautiful birthday of my beautiful wife today. So don't take me too serious because I'm just a long-haired dude trying to teach you a little bit about Bitcoin and life. If you ask me where the Tethers are going, I would answer probably to Bitcoin. If everybody looks at this short video, then they will all not put the Tethers back into dollars, but probably into Bitcoin, because she will enjoy this roller coaster ride. Some other news, guys. Yes, last like 2 days ago I told you guys that there were a lot of women in crypto. Now even J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, was asking on Twitter, please educate me in Bitcoin. This is another powerful billionaire woman that now shows interest into Bitcoin. A lot of retweets, a lot of answers, and this is how crypto works. You know, when people ask, other crypto community members provide. And now she is probably doubting, wow, shall I buy? Don't I buy? So she's going to contact all her billionaire friends. And one of this was Elon Musk, of course. And Elon Musk replied, oh, JK, yes, I believe really in the fundamentals of Bitcoin, but I only own 0.25 Bitcoins. Alan, this doesn't matter, dude. You own 0.25 bitcoins, and in the future there will be a lot of US dollars. So yeah, even 0.25 bitcoin makes you a good bitcoin holder. And I know for sure that you're going to accumulate more bitcoin in the future, and that you're going to convince more billionaire friends in the future to buy some bitcoin as well. So J.K. Rowling, I loved your books, I love the movies that are made about the books, but now take the next step in this magical industry of bitcoin and accumulate some beautiful bitcoins for your children and grandchildren in the future. And JK, I need to add this, and all the other women watching our channel, because we have seen a growth in women following me. We started with not even 1% of women following the channel. We now have more than 7% following the channel that are women, which also shows that, yeah, the women are entering the crypto market as well. And if it comes to the women, girls, please don't take this woman in Australia as a role model. She understood crypto, I think, the wrong way, because she was just arrested because she was laundering money into Bitcoin, and it was more than 3 million. I even saw news articles that stated $5 million into Bitcoin, and she was caught in a shopping center where she had a hardware wallet with about 3.6 bitcoins, but she also had $60,000 of cash in her wallet. So yeah, that is not the way to do it. You just go into the exchanges and you go to try and trade Bitcoin and buy and sell, you know, and accumulate more Bitcoins. Please don't give Bitcoin a bad name by doing this illegal stuff, because we have passed that status of Bitcoin. Yes, of course, Bitcoin will always be used by criminals, which is not bad, because criminals has always been using the dollar and other fiat currencies. So yeah, when they use Bitcoin, that shows me a positive sign, because criminals are always outsmarting the governments and the tax companies. So probably they know best what currencies to accumulate for the future. But please, don't do these illegal things, my beautiful women. Just handle Bitcoin as it should be handled. A beautiful technical revolution that's going to change the monetary system for the positive, but also in a positive, harmful way. Yes, it's a revolution, but it is a revolution of love that is going to destroy the monetary system that is built on fear and hate. Thanks for all the reactions on yesterday's videos with the text that you wanted to have on your t-shirt. I think it was already more than 20 different texts that we could put on a t-shirt. As I said, I'm going to give away one of these t-shirts to one of the commenting people below the video of yesterday. I'm going to wait with this till Monday, because some people also work every week, and now I will give them the weekend of time to react to this video as well, with a beautiful text that they want to have printed on their t-shirt. And there were already amazing creative texts that people want on their t-shirt. I will wait till Monday, and on Monday I will announce the prize winner. It will be randomly chosen. I will put all the texts on a sheet, and then I will let Google numbers randomly show me a number, and that number will win, and the person that wins gets a free t-shirt from me with their own text on the shirt. I received my Ambly card. You know, this is this Bitcoin debit card. You can send your Bitcoins to a Bitcoin wallet, and then you can spend it all over the world where MasterCard is accepted. The card is really cool. It looks really amazing. Look, I even have my own head on it. The Bitcoin family logo, Didi Taihutu. I'm a Bitcoin dad, as you know. Yes, these cards are going to be very popular in this 2020. This is shown by metrics. More and more companies are providing us of these cards. I've been using WireX for a long time. I've been using Bitsa for a long time, because Bitsa is now the only card that is also being given to kids from 14 years old and older. So that is exactly what my children need. So check Bitsa as well. I will add the links down below the video. Now Ambly is added to my portfolio of crypto cards. Yes, we need to use these cards as steps in between, because there is not mass acceptance of Bitcoin yet, and yes, we need to live as well. So we want to hodl our Bitcoins till the end. We need to spend them, and these cards make this possible for us. We just hodl the Bitcoin, and then when we need to spend them, we want to use a MasterCard or like a Visa card, then we send the Bitcoins to this wallet and then we spend it. So this is the game we are playing. So please check the links out. This was all, guys, for today, because now I am really going to celebrate the birthday with my wife on a very beautiful beach. I will make some videos today, so I will add those videos to tomorrow's video. Let me know what you thought about this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Please share it with your community. Even hit the bell button. Yes, some people said that was not possible. If it is not possible, there was one guy that came with a solution. You just unfollow us, then follow us again, and then you are able to hit the bell button. And then, guys, I wish you an amazing day and make the best of it. Live life to the fullest 24/7, day in, day out. I am looking forward, guys, to see you all again. Bye.